Any puddles on the ground?
Not yet.
Well,
So, it's Wednesday night again. What are we doing here, Mike?
Well, we should have been at my house, but
well,
We voted against it.
turd.
2-to-1 vote.
2-to-1 vote.
Because we figured it would be smarter to get one car of ours running.
Well,
than
why
it
would
be
we do
to
something
pull
smart?
a second one apart. So, since last time you saw it, we hooked up the cylinder head grounds for the coil unplug. I got power run to the relay. I got the big ground run from the coil packs to the battery. And what else? They never put any oil in it since, so I had to take the cam sync sensor out, and we got 5 quarts in here, priming it up, making sure there's no leaks. I had to hook up the oil drain for the turbo, the PCV line, had to hook up the vacuum line to the map sensor, and as soon as we prime this, I gotta figure out how to reclock this again, and then we'll stab it in. I gotta
Yeah. You
Yeah.
said there. That don't come out of Mike's mouth very often, does it? Eh?
Well, I did it earlier, thinking I was gonna have this done a long time ago, but I got the laptop buried, but it's charging, and we gotta make all the changes for the ignition system. This is still the first fire for this engine, and we'll see what happens. Oh.
Oh, what?
That's
Mate!
That's
What about?
All right, he's 10 demerit points right there.
So we're hook it all up, change all the settings. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll have a good play at it, and maybe we'll get this thing fired up tonight. And,
Maybe.
Maybe.
so, all right, I'm gonna finish priming this. I gotta look up how to restab this, and we'll be right back.
Look at that.
I'm gonna turn on this transformer. Hopefully, I don't pop the breaker.
When he comes over to my house, then it's his garage, his rules. So, and
Oh, what's happened there then, Mike?
Good old English power.
Douchebag.
Well, looking at what you've got over there, you could do with an upgrade.
Hit the button for the door.
yeah, it's the bottom one. 15-ish degrees.
So, we're in, look. He's put it in, we're primed.
Now I gotta get the laptop hooked up to the car and muddle through the settings
Muddle through.
until I can figure out some changes to make.
Can he figure it out?
I'm sure he will. It just won't be on camera.
Where's the... I mean... Every time I look in here, it's like, where's the dizzy?
Yeah.
Alright, so
What you doing there, sailor? Come around here often?
I need to download from ECU. Come on, give me the thingy. Maybe I reopen it now that the power's on. Oh, maybe I should plug that in. This is just techniques.
John missed that. Hey, look, all green, all green.
Alrighty. This was back 25 May. So we don't have a Holley dual sync anymore. Engine parameters, ignition parameters. Configured it. And I saved it. I think we have to sync it now. Yep. Send to ECU. We made changes that required ignition power to be cycled. Okay. I'll close. 4. Alright, it says we're online. The clutch is stiff. Does not sound like timing is right. Alrighty, well, not happy with something. I'm gonna have to double check everything again. Maybe I got a 180 out or something silly on the crank trigger, but I don't think it should matter because it matters on the cam sync as long as that's at 60 degrees.
Well, that's the only bit we didn't check.
Well, I think I had it set from before, but it's been so long I don't remember.
Yeah.
I don't think I wouldn't have set it. Per hour RPM stall. So if I start cranking, in theory, I should see that move. Even though it's not going to start. Yeah, good old battery. So I started to see something. Is it syncing?
We just may need a little more patience.
Yeah, I may need to make sure this battery's
Battery's
fully
good.
charged.
Yep. It could just be something very simple.
Oh, all right. Well, it is. What time is it?
10 something.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10,
10, 12. Yeah.
Gosh, 10 at night. Too late to be dorking with this, laying on the cold floor.
Yeah, I haven't even had a beer yet.
So, all right. I'm going to try to fix this. And if I get it to light off, I'm going to wait till these guys come back so we could be here for it. So,
All right, we'll be here tomorrow night.
yeah. Well, I think tomorrow night I'm going to figure it out.
All right, we'll be here Friday afternoon. Okay.
So, all right. We'll be right back.
All right. Yeah.
There you go. Oh, starter. Umbilical.
Yep.
That proves that I haven't started it.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, here we go. All right. Try again. Not touching any gas. It runs pretty good.
Still only have 5 quarts in it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's just sitting here. We're not going to be driving it, so I think I need a lot of.
Yep, it's the air fuel's getting leaner.
It's moving.
Yep.
Well, let's check for leaks.
One thing I was worried about is the tachometer, because this is the old wire. But with this coil on plug system, yeah, I may have to figure out something out. So how the LS guys figure their tachometers with it.
So if they even use it. Oh, launch Tim Waltz.
Yeah. The temperature at 83, that's it.
Taking a while to get some heat.
Let's shut it off.
I think it should be hotter than that. Maybe it's got an air pocket in there, so I don't overheat anything.
Sure.
It should start easier now.
Alright, we're going to try to set the timing. It should be at 30 degrees right now. To 35. So, I'm going to have to go underneath. I need you looking at the top. Okay. All right, everything looks good. We just set the timing. I need to get back in there and readjust the air gap between the sensor and the magnets. Should be some turbo noises.
really quiet.
It purrs.
So I got to figure out the tack. Turn the light out here. Why the tack's not working. Everything else looks all right. Temp's good. Oil pressure's good. Bolts are good. And idle air control went down to 0. It's just tickling a little bit. Probably turn the idle up more. Where's my idle set at anyway? 760. They give it a little bit more. I gave it more timing right around where it sits, so it burns more of the fuel. And I also made the air-fuel ratio table leaner right there, so I burn your eyes out. Alrighty. I think I'm just gonna let it cool down. Burp some more air out of the system. Well, I gotta say, I'm almost a year sitting.
It's been a minute.
Yeah. I wish I could say I'm back on the road, but it's gonna be a long time until the driving season starts again.
In the UK, it's wet a lot. And this is that time of the year where it's wet and just nasty.
Yeah, roads are muddy.
All the farm.
Sun's rarely out.
Icing, all that, you name it.
Yeah.
Although it's been pretty mild winter so far.
So, yeah, I am very, very happy. I guess there's no leaks, no noises. It runs. It started really nice and quick. And,
It's almost like they had instructions that helped you out.
oh, yeah. Yeah, not.
F.
Oh, yeah. Lost the sync since we shut it down. So, yeah. Save the changes, yes. All right, well, we'll call this a video. Too bad Pete wasn't here to enjoy it. But yeah, one car is coming up, and John's car is going to go down.
US.
So stick around. We'll have an engine removal swap session on John's car here real soon.
A lot coming on that one, yeah.
But we're all hopefully going to be ready for the springtime. So
Hell yeah.
thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you guys next video. Bye bye.